Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Afilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold has formed massive candles. As we all know, um, FOMC is a major event, and yes, we had FOMC, Fed rate cut decision. And as expected, market showed a crazy movement also. Okay, but the problem is that after making a high of 4246, 4247, market has come back to the same old range around 4200 again. We were having high hopes from FOMC because we wanted a direction. But sadly, we can see that gold is trading around the same range again. So things are really difficult right now. If you look at the market sentiment, we can see gold rises for third session. Gold price rose to 4230 per ounce on Thursday, gaining for a third consecutive session approaching October levels when they hit a record following the FOMC's expected rate cut. Yes, there was a rate cut because of which dollar is under pressure and gold started going up. You can see dollar sinks as Fed cut rates and boost liquidity. If you look at a chart of dollar, you can see dollar is under pressure right now, because of which we can see good amount of upside on the chart of gold. This is the current scenario. But technically, gold is turning inside the same range. Okay. This is the hourly chart of gold. And we can see that this is a pure sideways market. Okay. And if we just remove, not remove, if we just hide the name here, for example, you don't know that this is the chart of gold. Okay. If I just show you this particular chart and I ask you, do you think this is a good chart to trade? Then I'm pretty sure that most of you will say that this chart is not a very good chart to trade because it's a sideways market. Okay. And most of you will say no, because maybe this is the chart of gold. Okay, but this chart is not favorable for traders like us, because the number of trading opportunities are less. Because see, there are three types of market: bullish, bearish, and sideways. In a bullish market, if a market is going up, when gold was bullish, remember, bullish market means buyers are dominating, so we buy at retracement or we buy at breakout. If a market is bearish, means if market is under selling pressure, then we sell at resistance, or if market fails to go up, we sell at breakdown. Simple strategy. But in a sideways market, the number of buyers and sellers are almost equal in number. So in a situation like this, we need to be extra careful. Okay, and most of the people around the world, not only foreign, around the world, lose money in sideways market because they fail to keep patience. They end up entering on the middle of the chart and they lose money. Okay, so the only way to make money on sideways market is to buy at support, sell at resistance. And in this case, this is the resistance and this is the support. Okay, and for the market to come to support and resistance, you need to wait a long time. Maybe you need to wait for 2 days, then you'll get one trade. Okay. So this is the current scenario right now. And if you enter on the middle of the chart, then obviously those trades are not very reliable. There's a high chance that you may compromise with your SL as well. Okay, so let's discuss the trading opportunity. As we have discussed earlier also, for the market to be bullish again, for gold to be bullish again, it needs to cross 4270. When gold will break 4270, then we can expect gold to be bullish again. But chances of market going above 4270 is very less. If gold goes up from here also, then again gold will face resistance around 4250, 4255. Around this particular zone, we can look for a sell position again. This portion of the market, we can see here, this is a resistance zone. And in this situation, it won't be easy for gold to cross it. So if gold faces resistance again, we can look for a sell around this particular portion of the market. As a day trader, you can also look for sell around 42, 43 also. Okay. So these are the selling opportunities, if market goes up. If you enter on the middle of the chart, it's up to you. Personally, I will not suggest, because these are high risk selling opportunities. For example, if market goes up, You can look for a quick sell around 4,222, 4,233, but those are high risk selling opportunities. Okay, it may work, it may not work, because this is a sideways market. In sideways market, only the zones are reliable, not the middle of the chart. Okay, so if your analysis says that okay, you should go for a 30-40 pips, yes, 30-40 pips set around 4,222 or 4,233, you can go for it. But otherwise, personally, I will not suggest. I will be looking for opportunities on pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD. Dollar is under pressure. Okay, those pairs will be giving better moves today. Okay, so we have a reliable resistance around 4,250, 4,255. If market reverses, we can look for a sell. And yes, market needs to cross 4,270. Then only we can expect the market to be bullish again. And day traders, scalpers, if you want to sell, it's your call. I will not say anything here. Okay. Then if market goes down, then yes, the old level 416570 is still very much valid. If market takes support just like the previous time, we can look for a buy position. But if selling pressure increases and market breaks 4163, we can look for a sell below it. Okay, that's it. Okay, and right now on the middle of the chart, okay, it's very difficult to say what will happen because we are retail traders. Okay, we don't know how the market will react at each and every price level. It is not possible for any retail trader. For example, see right now the confusion. Okay, there's a chance that okay, if market breaks this particular low, means if market breaks, let's say 4,210, there's a possibility that market may go down, isn't it? But here you can see, okay, we we have a support. So these are the confusion. Okay, that okay really kills us. Okay, when we trade in a market like this, so it's better to stick to the major levels. As I said, okay, today I don't have any intention of trading on gold because this is not my chart. Okay, I will be looking for opportunities on Euro, USD, USD, JPY, dollar pairs because dollar is moving. There's a high chance that we can get a good position, a long position on Euro, USD. But as long as market remains like this or market remains in this particular range, really it will be difficult for us to trade. Okay, and as we all know, okay, Christmas is coming okay, around the corner, and as we all know, from second week of no, not from second week, from third week of December till second week of January, market stays in holiday mode. Okay, so we may not get the clear moves that we are looking for. Time will speak. Okay, let's wait and watch. Do not gamble. Okay, and take the decision wisely. And if you're still not a part of the free Telegram community, please join. The link will be in the description. If anything crazy happens, you'll get an update there. Be careful, lots of scams going on in my name. Only join the group community from the link in the description. Okay, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.